Hello all my glamorous babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, but you all call me Glamorous Mimi, and I'm back. And I'm back with another video. And this video is gonna be how I pack my orders and ship them out to my customers. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos, and turn on post notifications. Yeah, that's as considered as the bell. And follow all my social media, includes TikTok, Glamorous Mimi. Follow my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, and my personal business page, Mimi Glam Beauty, if you didn't know. So you must follow all of them to keep up with my business and what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's start, I guess, get my nails done. So it was yay long, but shout out to my nail tech. Yes, but anyway, I have 2 orders to pack, and yeah, as you notice, I'm in a different area and I'm using my smaller ring light. So I got 2 orders to pack, and I want to come on here and show y'all how I pack my order for my customer, for my business and stuff like that. Get it together, Mimi. You can talk. But anyway, how I pack my order. But this video is not gonna be that so long, so you're gonna be bored out your mind. So I just want to come here and show you how I pack my orders for my business. As you know, I do sell lashes, lip gloss, multi-layered necklace, tote bag, key rings. I just added key rings, and my key rings is popping right now. It's the best selling right now, so that's selling very good. I had like 4 or 5 orders in last week, and over the weekend I had 1 or 2. So I'm here gonna pack 2 orders for y'all. I did one on TikTok, so make sure you follow me on TikTok, Glamorous Mimi, and I will have everything linked down in the bio, so you can follow my social media, and include my website down in the bio in the description. So let's get packing. This person want a key ring in amethyst and glitter, and she want to have their names Dolores and letter D on the key ring. So let's get that done and fulfill her order as we should. And this order is going to New Jersey, and it's gonna go right here. Excuse my camera, my video camera. I'm just trying to do this with one hand, and we're gonna color that in. So thank you, New Jersey, for completing that order with me. This is where I print my shipping labels, and my shipping labels I use Pirate Ship. If you don't know, they have cheap postage for good prices. I don't like Shopify because Shopify add a postage stamp into your business, into your bill. So no, not your business, your bill. And I save, like, your bill is $29.99 a month, $30 a month, and whatever postage you keep buying for your customers and they pay for is added into your bill. So I don't like that, so I just use Pirate Ship. And we're gonna fulfill 1005, order number 1005, and we're gonna get rates, and we're gonna pack her packing slip. This is where I pack my packing slip, how I pack it. So let me block everything out. This one order is already been packed, so let's pack the other ones and how we do. Here is my business card and my thank you card right here, with everything on the back, where to follow me, with my website. And this is where I put the key ring on. So let's get on to the key ring. So how I pack everything. That's what you're here for. And this is how I make my key rings. So this order is gonna on its way. This is my place cards. So I just take a piece of tape and take the back of it. Since my package already been packed, this is my logo, but I got new stickers. So I'm printing the packing slip so I can put on this on my way, and then I can get my full amount of paper, my shipping label, and just send it on its way. And don't forget to add your packing slip. So this is very important, your packing slip. Well, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And I'll see y'all in the next video. These packages will go out tomorrow to my customers. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any video I post. And I'll see y'all later.